Really, it really fucking cracks me up. These condescending bastards. You know, they're like, I can't believe you said that. I can't believe that you would. Do you not think my daughter knew I was a fucking junkie, moron? My mom, the whole fucking town of Hot Springs didn't know what I was about. Everybody fucking in 7 fucking penitentiaries did not know who the fuck I was. And what? You want me to be afraid of that? You gonna say something? You gonna hurt my feelings with your little words? Get fucking real. I don't give a fuck what you got to say about me. You can't hurt me. And you sure the hell can't hurt them, people I love, because they live the fucking dream every day. The dream of recovery. Cracks me up. For real. True freedom is when you can speak, live, and die. Well, you don't give a fuck what nobody thinks. You're right with yourself. The only motherfucker that judges me is me. And the only person that gets to fucking look at the list and compare himself is to the shit I write down every day to see if I fail is me. And when you get there, true freedom. Because then you sculpt your own reality. Then you make your own way. Then you hold yourself accountable naturally. God bless you. Fluent English.